boys and girls, I have another pet to introduce to you. This is Lulu. She is our 10-year-old chocolate lab, and as you can see, she loves to eat. Right, Lulu? Lulu absolutely loves to eat. The book that I'm going to read today is Bear Snores On. Bear Snores On. Oh, Bailey's here too. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Ho, mouse, so," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scurries by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we should share." "I've brought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. The gopher and the mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all this fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew some more tea." Look how happy he is. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends, now they snore on. Hopefully this book reminds you a little bit about what we did in science with all the hibernating animals. We see the bear started off hibernating in this story. I hope you really enjoyed it. And I hope you got to meet my dogs and enjoyed my dogs too. Here's Bailey. And we're all saying goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this story. Bye, boys and girls.